Guided breathwork for anxiety. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position on the floor or a chair. Place your hands on your lap or besides your body. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. As you inhale, imagine you are breathing in a calming, soothing energy. And as you exhale, imagine you are releasing any tension or stress you are holding on to in your body. Continue to breathe slowly and deeply, focusing your attention on your breath. Now, begin to visualize a beautiful garden in your mind's eye. Imagine that you are standing at the entrance of this garden and that you are surrounded by beautiful flowers and trees and plants. Now, focus your attention on your breath once again. Take a deep inhale and hold it in for a moment before exhaling slowly through your mouth. Allow your mind to become still and peaceful. Bring your attention back to the garden. Imagine walking deeper into this garden, surrounded by its beautiful energy, smelling the sweet aroma of your favorite flowers and nectar. As you walk, you come across a pond or a stream. I want you to visualize the water flowing gently and imagine that it's flowing away any negativity or anxiety that you are holding on to. Take a few deep breaths and visualize yourself surrendering any worries or fears into the water. Allow the water to carry them away, leaving you feeling calm, relaxed, and at peace. Take one final deep breath in and exhale slowly through your mouth. When you are ready, open your eyes and take a moment to reflect on your experience. Notice how your body and mind feel. Take this sense of calm and peace with you as you go about your day.